This house doesn't look from the outside anything like before, and I can't wait to see the inside. So let's check it out. Whoa, no way. Holy cow. I literally haven't been inside this house since it was full of debris and I mean stacked. The kitchen was here. This is, wow. I'm blown away. I didn't know stuff was getting moved. This is amazing. Such good use of the space. It was closed off. It had that classic 70s one level kind of rooms were all kind of compartmentalized, and now it's just got that open feel that's so popular. People just love. Wow, and the backyard was blackberry bushes that were 6 feet, 7 feet tall. And that backyard is a lot bigger than I realized it was. That's amazing. I mean, this primary bedroom was scary, honestly, to walk into. And the bathroom, same. Hammerfall's just absolutely knocked it out of the park. This is unbelievable. I just can't even believe this is the same house. I just can't.